enjoying your Saturday. And if it's hot where you're at, please stay hydrated. Try to stay indoors and enjoy your day. Usually I don't do grocery hauls, but I found 2 items that would it'll change your life. It'll change your cooking skills also. So I wanted to jump on and show you what I got. Some of it I got from Trader Joe's, and another one I got from Amazon. So, all right, let's get to. I ain't cooking yet, but I am going to do 2 videos. All right, let's just get this train on the track. Okay, here I have some heirloom. Can you see that? Tomatoes. And look at the green and the red. I am going to use these in a recipe. Also, I got 3 packs of your wild-caught, skinless and boneless sardines in the olive oil. All right, I know the young people are going to be like, "Are you kidding? Sardines? Yuck!" But let me tell you, young people, something. What you put in your body today will affect your body in the future. If I would have known that in my younger days, I would have eaten better and been more cautious of what I put in my body. You find people now in their 40s and 50s, diabetic, high blood pressure, what else? Gout. All kind of diseases that's in their body now because of the way they ate when they were younger. But anyway, this is powerful in omega-3 fatty acids. So if you can, get you some Ritz crackers. Put a little ketchup on it if you have to, just to get them down. But I bought 3 packs of these. And I also love the organic Thompson seedless raisins. I do this in my rolled oats. I just cannot eat oatmeal by itself. Even though I put a little cinnamon, a little nutmeg, I got to have some type of fruit in my oatmeal. All right? This is just the basic, the uncured turkey corn dogs. Really, really delicious. I think a little expensive because they're almost $5 and you don't get but 4 corny dogs in it. So I believe you can beat that and make your own. Okay, I picked this up today. They were doing a taste test on this. This will change your life. I promise you. They put it on ciabatta bread, but I am going to use this in a video. And I'm going to show you how Mrs. O is going to vamp it up. But if you go to Trader Joe's, please pick this up. It'll change your life. Okay, here, of course, is the Kerrygold Irish butter, unsalted. I always find if you do unsalted, you can always add salt. But when you do a salted butter, you can never take out the salt. And a lot of times that's where people go wrong. They use salted butter, then use a heck of a lot of seasonings, and you've over-salted your food. So if you can, get unsalted, and then add more salt or more seasoning as needed. Okay, here's another one that's going to change your life. This is Trader Joe's caramelized onion dip. Oh my God. When I tell you, this is a game changer also. I had it on some Ruffled potato chips. Had to get another one. This is really, really good. Okay, I'm going to use this in a dish. I know people be like, goat cheese. Goat cheese is very mild. And it goes so good on pasta dishes. to where when you mix everything together like a vinaigrette or something, it just blends very well. This also will be used in a dish. All right, here's my heavy hitter here. If you guys have ever heard of this seasoning, this is a home run. Knockout in the park. This will change your life, and this will change your dishes. It is Ethiopian Barbera seasoning. I got it on Amazon. Now, it's a little expensive because for this jar right here, it's $15. But when I tell you it will elevate your dish, trust me when I tell you. And I think, if you use it wisely, it can go a long way. But for me, it's definitely worth the $15. And this is another one. This is called Star Child. I got this at a farmer's market. This right here will change your life. It will change your cooking. And he did say that he can ship. He had a lot of seasoning, but this was one of the top favorites. He said he can ship his seasonings all over the world. So I'm going to put the website down in the description box. You guys, I promise you, this also will change your life. All right, that is this quick grocery haul that I had to show you guys. That caramelized onion dip, that lemon pesto sauce, the Ethiopian seasoning, and the Star Child. It's a home run. So if you can, maybe you can buy it, a little at a time, because sometimes it's hard to buy all this stuff at once because it becomes too expensive. But anyway, you guys have a great Saturday. Enjoy your Sunday. And I will be back and I will be using some of these items in dishes. So until next time, please share and subscribe. And I think I have the hype button on my videos. If you can hype it up, help a sister out, that would be very much appreciated. So until next time, always remember, everything we do, always put God first. God bless you.